Hello everyone, I'm Rachel. I hope you're having a day filled with joy. We are going to make an all-natural Christmas tree soap today. I've been on the hunt for the perfect essential oil blend that represents the holidays, and I always thought it was pine, but after smelling black spruce again, I think this is my winner. So I'm going to combine this with some cinnamon leaf, cassia, and orange tenfold, since citruses tend to lose their fragrance in soaps after time, so it needs to be extra concentrated. So I'm going to combine all that together and make just one big green hanger swirl with some rosemary needles on top. If you want to see which different plant materials I'm using for the different colors in the hanger swirl, go ahead and look at the recipe in the description box below. I think everything is ready, so let's get started making this Christmas tree soap.
Two soaps couldn't have gotten them.
Okay. Show it. Thank you so much for joining us on this soapy adventure today. She really loves to help, and I think it's cool to teach her these business skills and soap making skills in any little way that I can, even though she can't do the lie yet. Want to show them? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
We'll see you in the next video very soon.
Don't forget to